How about we take you through the A.C.E 29.5? What you see here is the beautiful home collection. So let's talk living area. This is your dream dinette, and you're going to spend some quality time here. Spend the day and night as this makes into a bed. Or how about you kick back here in the theater seats, grab the remote, watch some TV on a rainy day. You do have a Blu-ray player, or you can stream with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. All you need to do is add your favorite streaming device. The crew can catch a show while the family chef enjoys this kitchen. Everything you need is here. There's a large single-bowl stainless steel sink. I love the way these fixtures look. You have a 3-burner gas cooktop with oven, a microwave, fridge, and all the counter space you need, which looks even better with this LED lighting underneath. Heading into the bathroom, this is exactly what you want: space, privacy, and a place for everything. This large shower even features a skylight. Even your furry pals have a place in here. Check this out: a pull-out pet dish. In the bedroom, you have this king bed with a large nightstand on each side. Across, you have a large dresser top with every kind of port and plug you could ask for. Let's take one more spin inside before we head outside and show you all the fun waiting for you and your family out there. It's hard to miss this exterior kitchen. Team that up with the exterior propane connection, the TV, and power awning, and you'll never want to go in. This new dash will help you keep your eyes on the road, and you can even control the infotainment center from here. So check this out. You have Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it's your backup and side view camera monitor. Under the hood, the new V8 with 350 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque, and an 8,000-pound hitch. There's an optional 100 watts of solar charging on the roof. This is the A.C.E 29.5. It is ready for some fun. You want more, right? Then visit thormotorcoach.com.